Good afternoon, students. 11th Accountancy. Last class we all studied trial balance. Trial balance means a trial balance is a statement with the debit and credit balance. The debit and credit balance must be equal. Equal only correct. One side is highest, one side is lowest. Total means your sum is wrong only. This week, last week, some new students you enter the class. Please, the students clearly watch this recorder class. Okay, dear students, one important point, everybody note it down. This trial balance you use only in single page only. Accountancy note, single page, date, particulars, debit, credit. That one small column is LF. LF means ledger folio. Two important points, everybody note it down. Debit side. Debit side means assets and expense only you enter debit side. Asset and expense. Asset means machine, opening stock, closing stock, machine, plant, furniture, goodwill. This content, debtors. This content you write only in enter debit side only. Next, expense. Rent paid means that is expense only. Discount allowed, expense. Received means gaining, okay, revenue. But discount allowed means only in expense. Next one is credit side. Credit side, capital, liability and revenue. This three content only you enter in credit side. Capital, liability, revenue. This content only you enter in credit side. Listen students, this chapter very easy only. Some important points I am again one time I recall. The name of the account particular column. Name of the account means opening stock, closing stock, some bills receivable, payable. That content is name of the account. Okay. Debit balance and credit balance. You enter the debit means you write. Enter debit column. Credit means you enter credit column. Next one, LF means small column, that is ledger folio column. Next one, the debit and credit column must be equal. If you not equal means your sum is wrong only. Debit and credit both side equal total only in reflection is equal only, but any unequal means one side is highest, one side is lowest means your total sum is wrong only. Listen students, today I explain one illustration sum. You write single page only. First one serial number, next one name of the account. LF means small, that small column only you write LF. Next one debit balance, credit balance. This format only you write. This method sum. The top line is blue line. You end the line you write in the book of Ashok. The trial balance 31st December 2017. Next you write first building. Building what? Building is asset. Building asset means you write only debit side. Next bills payable. Payable means expense. Expense means which side you write? Liability, credit side. Debitors, asset. Bank balance, asset. Bank balance. Next, cash at bank. Cash at bank means your cash, your bank account is having 2 lakh or 3 lakh rupees you cash is having means asset only. Your bank balance, asset. Insurance paid, asset. Rent received, expense. Rent received. Rent received means asset or expense? Tell students, asset or expense? Rent paid is revenue. You write credit side only, revenue received, but paid means you enter debit side. Donation given is expense, debit side. Loan borrowed means having money, liability. Convenience charge means some traveling expense charge, that is expense only. You debit column you write salary, expense, you debit column only you write capital. Liability side, liability means what? Credit side. Furniture, debit side. Motor vehicles, debit side. Patents, debit side. Goodwill, debit side. The total is, final total is 9,000 means your both side total is equal only means your sum is correct. Some difference means your sum is wrong only. Listen students, very easy only. Again one sum I explain. Okay, listen students, next one important sums I explain. Prepare a trial balance 31st December 2017 from the following balance Balaraman. Listen students, first number of serial number, second one number of name of account. LF debit balance you write, credit balance. Some students one line is leave it means do not leave it. You write one by one you write. Okay. Write clearly, do not write in overwriting students. You write clearly. You write digit order you write. First listen to some students 20,000 this side, 100 means that side. No, you write only in digit order. Okay, first one, listen students, again one time I explain this formula, important point everybody, again and again you remember. Capital, liability, revenue. Capital, liability, okay, listen students, credit side means capital, liability, revenue. This three content very important in credit side. Asset side, asset and expense you write only in debit side. Okay, first one capital. Capital is liability, credit side you write. Next one drawing. Drawing means expense. Okay, drawing means some you go on one by your account is some amount you draw means that is drawing. Next one furniture. Furniture is asset. Asset means you enter debit side. Stock at beginning. Stock at beginning means opening stock, that is stock at beginning, that is opening stock. In asset debit side only you write. Bills receivable. Bills receivable means expense. Bills receivable is expense. Next one purchase. You write debit side. Purchase means expense. You go for 50,000 or 20,000 some goods you purchase means expense only. You enter debit side. Sales, credit side. Sales means you earn some income, that is what? Credit side, discount allowed. Discount allowed means your expense only. You enter in debit side. Discount received means you go one shop, you purchase 10,000 rupees. 10% discount means 100 rupees. 100 rupees or 10,000 rupees discount. You pay only in 9,000. That 100,000 rupees is what? Received income. Your save amount, your amount only save, that is income. Discount allowed means your expense, but received means your income, that is credit side. You write repair. Repair means expense. Office lighting expense. Printing and stationery expense. Bank loan. Bank loan means you buy one, you go, you one bank you borrow 1 lakh or 2 lakh rupees. Loan you borrow means every month you pay EMI. Your liability only, that is expense. You write credit side, that is liability. Computer asset. Debtors asset. Cash in hand asset. Cash at bank asset. General expense asset. Creditors liability. Listen students, more content in, you write only more content available in debit side only, few content only in credit side. Few content only in credit side only. Listen students, new students, any doubt means tomorrow live class if you ask question, I again one time I explained. Listen students, very very easy this method. Some students in last week, new admission students, I explained 1 or 2 journal entries only. I explained again one time. Lesson number 3, journal entry. Now in a papa படிச்சிட்டியா? எத்தனை கொஸ்டின் முடிச்சிருக்கேன்? சரி எடுத்து
நாளைக்கு எழுதி படிச்சு.
Okay students, one journal entry I explained. Jay Seeley, a sole trader having a provision store, following a transaction during the month of January 2018, journalize them. Listen students, journal entry means first one, which one is incoming, which one is outgoing. Okay, which one is incoming? Incoming means you write only DR symbol. Incoming means you write DR symbol. You write only DR symbol means next you write that word automatically CR. Do not write CR word, do not mention, but you write only DR means second word automatically convert CR. Incoming means DR symbol. DR means debit, CR means credit. DR means debit, CR means credit. First, commenced business with cash. One person started a business, investment in cash means cash is incoming. Cash account DR, first one is very very important entry. Cash account is DR, capital account is CR. The conclusion is narration. The important bracket word, that word is name is narration. Jaisali commenced business with cash. Second one, deposit cash with bank. Deposit cash. Listen students, bank, deposit, ATM, credit, check. That word means you write only in bank, only you use the word is you use only in bank. Deposit cash into bank. Your cash is outgoing in one bank. Bank account DR, cash account CR. Your cash is outgoing to bank. Means bank account DR, cash account CR. Next one, purchase goods by paying cash. Purchase goods by paying cash. You purchase some goods means cash is outgoing. Outgoing means automatically purchase account DR, cash account CR. Okay, listen students, you clearly you watch this video. Previous video you recorded so many recorded class. This fully I explained. You watch clearly. I explain in journal entry and ledger account. Any doubt means you ask live class. Okay students, thank you. Do not waste your time. Each and every day you read properly. Listen students, accountancy you do not write in, do not overwriting. One page you mistake means you put only strike out. Do not tear the paper. Okay, thank you students.